Even notice na kinukuha ko na yung guitar. Makarelate yung ibang taong hopefully something meaningful and genuine. Nako, ang hirap, grabe. Hanggang dito na lang ba? Okay, hello. Ako si Drell and I'm a 16-year-old singer-songwriter. And ito yung get to know me video ko. Wow. Okay, goods. Pagod sa school. Araw-araw, pero goods naman. Kaya pa. Yun lang. Nako, ang hirap, grabe. Burger King, Whopper Jr. As of now, wala. Siguro, earth tones. Something within beige, cream, or like ivory, or like green, or something like that. So, ayan. So, alam mo, paiba-iba. Pero usually, pag pa-perform ako, I try to stand out as much as possible. So, ayan. Libra. Pero hindi ako naniniwala masyado sa mga ganun-ganun. So, ayan. Pero Libra ako. So, ayan. Hindi ko rin naman parang pinagtatawanan yung mga taong naniniwala doon. Pero, hindi ako naniniwala doon. So, yeah. Libra ako. Ako, right now, I'm trying to expand my knowledge sa piano. Hindi siya madali, pero madali. Gets mo? Tapos, gusto ko rin matuto mag-saxophone. So, ayun. Kaso nga lang, mahal eh. So, ayun. Madami nagsasabi, Tito Fits. Pero, ako kasi, I like to, sorry, magna-nerd out muna ako. So, like, I like to, categorize it. Ito yung Tito Fits. Right? Tapos, kalahatiin natin, ito yung Tito Fits ng Pinas. Ibang-iba yung Tito Fits ng Pinas kaysa sa Tito Fits ng sabihin natin sa Europe o kaya sa US. Ibang-iba yon. And ako, I usually try to take inspiration from this category. Yung hindi galing sa Pinas. Kasi nandidiri at talaga ako. Hindi naman sa nandidiri, pero I don't want na may kaparehas ako ng suot or like that or masyadong basic or this. Like, gusto kong may sarili akong pag nakita nila yun, parang kapareha sila ng ni Drell. Ganon. But like, ganon siya ka-distinct na Drell na kagad may isip mo instead of like Tito Fits ng Pinas. Ganon. So, ayun. So, I would say like, kapag sinimplify natin, vintage or old money. Vintage or old money. Yan lang. Mas na-realize ko siyang parang as a career opportunity nung matagal ko na siyang nung nagsimula ako magsulat. I already wanted to be an artist, pero mas na-realize kong posible pala yun talaga for me nung nag-perform ako on my first gig, open mic sa Just and Pants, and ayan, doon ko na-realize. So, October yun. Tapos, mid-pandemic. Actually, nung bata pa lang ako, gusto ko nang maging artist. Nagda-drums ako dati. Tapos, nung nag-pandemic, guitar naman yung ginusto kong, matutunan. So, ayun, siguro October yun ng 2021. Tapos, ayun, nagpaturo ako ng gitara sa ate ko, saka sa boyfriend niya. Tapos ayun, patuloy-tuloy na yun. Tapos sila yung parang malaking inspiration for me. Kasi they write music, they play guitar, they play this and that. So, artist sila, ayun. Yun lang. Gravity. So that song has like, hindi lang siya as in just a song for me. Hindi rin siya yung parang, yung meaning ng song is yun na yung meaning nun. It has like a meaning for me rin. So like, ayun, parang binabalik-balikan ko and never ako magsasawa. Yung music taste ng ate ko. Yung music taste ng ate ko is like, parang mostly bands. Pinakatanda ko is 1975, Arctic Monkeys, May Day Parade, yung ganun. So, and yun, it's very parang, alam mo, kailangan mo siya i-perform, kailangan mo siya with instruments. So, ayan. No. Yeah, I mean, to this day, pinapakinggan ko pa rin sila, pero it's not like my favorite gets. Right now, I don't think malalagpasan ko yung face ko kay John Mayer. Kasi he writes and tries to communicate the message through with his symbolism and all that and stuff. Okay naman. Magaling siya. Tapos, isa pa, magaling siya mag-gitara. Ayun. It was like, parang siya yung pinaka-latest na parang guitar hero. Yung guitar. Pwede tig-isa, electric, acoustic. Ayan. Acoustic, Martin, na sarili ko. Parang custom shop or like signature series or something like that. Mataas pangarap ko. Ayan, Martin. Tapos sa electric, probably a vintage custom Strat na Fender. So, ayan. Something or someone that made me who I am today. As an artist, I would say definitely yung boyfriend ng ate ko. He's named Kuya Miko. Hindi, he's named Miko. Tapos tawag ko sa kanya, Kuya Miko. Ayan, tapos he really inspired me to learn yung guitar. I remember nung pagbibisita siya sa amin, paggabi, parang given na magigitara siya for us, for the both of us ng ate ko saka ako. And I would just watch as he did this chord. Dati hindi ko alam kung ano yan eh. Hirap na hirap ako eh. But now, to me, it seems so basic. So parang, yung growth na nakuha ko galing from when I started out and when to how I am now, dahil sa kanya is like a very, very big leap for me. So like parang, ayun, malaki siyang inspiration sa akin. The way he writes song and he writes his song is like very captivating to me. And parang sometimes I see glances of the way he writes in the way I write. So like parang hindi ko na malayan na parang nagagaya ko na rin pala siya. So ayun. Ayun lang. Favorite song right now? Lancaster Nights by Charlie Berg. Very, very para siyang Bohemian Rhapsody in a modern age. So, ayan. Ako, it's... I do the chords muna. I figure out the chords muna. For example, ito. Naano ko lang siya. I was like messing around with the chord. Sabi ko, what if gumawa ko ng kanta sa E? Tapos, ayan, tumuloy-tuloy na siya. Tapos ayun, nagawa ko yun, tapos ako siya linagyan ng lyrics. And ayun, yung melody, hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako magaling sa melody. Pero ayun nga, chords before the lyrics. Ay, kagaya na nasabi ko kanina, yung ate ko, yung boyfriend na ate ko. Tapos, for like actual artist talaga na sikat, ayun, isa dun si John Mayer. Tapos, there's like some other artists rin na parang nakakapag-inspire rin sa akin. Like, sila, MJ, yun, si Michael Jackson, Bruno Mars, mga yun, Charlie Berg, etc. Yeah, the list goes on. Inspiration for music. Ayun nga, I want people, for those who can't speak up for their own song, for those, isa pa, cut. For the people that can't speak up about their own thoughts, gusto kong makita nila ako as someone that can voice out kung ano man yun. So that's one of my inspirations. And plus the fact na it's also like not only is it a hobby, but it's kind of like a lifestyle na rin. Kasi I play guitar when I'm bored. I don't even notice na kinukuha ko na yung guitar ko. Pag nag-aantay for like a loading screen or like sa meeting, nag-aantay ako, hawak-hawak ko na yung gitara ko. And like, parang second nature na siya sa akin. So, ayan. It's like another life. Jimi Hendrix, grabe. There's like so many debates everywhere around the world na parang, oh, he's like the best. Kasi ano yun may parang top 3 sila. It's like SRV, tapos Eric Clapton, tapos Jimi Hendrix. And somehow Jimi Hendrix, siya lagi nasa pinakataas. He's like the best. And like, I wanna see that in real life, see it for myself. So, ayan. Hindi naman sa dinedemand ko. Okay naman kung, okay, salamat kung makikinig ka, pero I mean, nagsimula ako magsulat para makarelate yung ibang taong hindi nila alam kung paano ba nila lalabas kung ano yung gusto nilang ipakita, sabihin, or paramdam. So, kung makikinig sila, it's like parang may chance na makarelate sila, and that's all I want. So, yeah. That hindi pa ako sure. Kasi I would like for the title of my album or an EP na to be somewhat connected to the songs that are in it. And as of now, wala akong naiisip na parang ipagsasama ko tong kanta na to, yung mga nagawa kong kanta na isasama ko siya in one album. Parang I envision it to be more of spread out pa. So like, as of now, wala. Pero hopefully something meaningful and genuine. Just the thought na meron pa ako igagaling. Hindi pa yun yung full potential ko. So like, practice na practice. From the 90s, probably, sa mga 90s, yung mga trip kong kanta is, kanta ng mga Oasis. And like, mga kanta ni Jeff Buckley and those. So, ayun, yan yung mga trip ko. 90s or present? Present, kasi it's mas broad na siya. You can mimic what you had in the 90s, pero, or like even older generations. And mas maganda na yung tech today. So, ayan. Ano siya? Song ng boyfriend na ate ko. It was it was his song for my sister. So, ayan. Ayun yun. So, yan. Parang, invest in a good guitar. Kasi, most na mga nakikilala ko, most na nagtatanong sa akin, paano sila matututo? Sabi nila ganun. And then like, parang, usually ang sinasabi nila, taas na action, ang hirap mag-practice, ganito, ganyan. Get a good guitar na hindi mahirap gamitin. So like, hindi ka rin mahirapan gumamit. Mas mamotivate kang mag-practice and to learn. So, eto, nung una kong gig, I performed a new song, kakatapos ko lang the day before. So it was like, I was very unsure of it. Yung ibang parts doon rinush ko, and it was like, 3 verses siya. And it was a very, very long song. Tapos, nung pinerform ko na on the spot, it was my last song to perform. Solo. Tapos, ayun, when I performed it, while performing it, na-realize ko, parang maboboard yata sila pag tinuloy ko yung tatlong verse. So, I took the last verse out. Tapos, ginawa ko siyang bridge on the spot. So, I was like thinking of something to say dun sa bridge. Something catchy or something like that. Tapos, ayun, naisipan ko, like, I didn't even, hindi siya pumasok sa utak ko. Talagang biglaan ko na lang linabas na hanggang dito na lang ba. Hanggang dito na lang ba. It's like that. Tapos, ayun, paulit-ulit lang siya. Tapos, it builds up to like climax leading to another chorus and that ends the song. So, ayun, it was like very surprising and very heartwarming na bigla na lang sumabay yung mga nanonood doon. Bigla silang sumabay sa sinasabi ko. Tapos, ayun, it was like a warm welcome to the community. So, ayun. For my whole life, either I have 3 options. I can't make up my mind, so either ate ko, Michael Jackson, or John Mayer. Hindi naman yata halata gusto ko si John Mayer. 2021, ilang taon nun? 16, 15, 14 siguro. Yeah, 14. Hindi, stay humble. Stay humble, yun lang. Tapos stay safe. Yeah, panis. Yeah.